Alright, so the Traxxas TRX-4M going up the slight incline. As you can see, the tires are trying to bite into it, just bouncing at this point. The tires have no foam. It's just trying to kind of hop over it. Tires have no foam inside. The vehicle is a fairly decent weighted vehicle. It's not like super heavy, but as you can see, it's kind of struggling to get up there. Just past that one spot. If it can just pass that first lump right there, it should be fine, but as you can see, it just does not, it cannot do it. This is the axial 24 scale right here, as you can see, as well as having a little bit of trouble, kind of bouncing a little bit too. It's a fairly light vehicle. There you go, and it goes up. This is my Trapseed 1/18 scale. It's got the pin tires and a little bit of lifted suspension. It's kind of having a hard time to get up there. Now, this vehicle is very underpowered, in my opinion, compared to the Bronco 18 scale as well. It doesn't have enough wheel spin. I mean, it has just barely enough, but it kind of like it goes up and then it stops, and then you kind of have to like let it go down by itself, and then kind of give it a little bit more gas, more speed to get up there again. As you can see, it's kind of struggling as well. The tires do have foam, and they're actually very grippy, but the vehicle is also very heavy, heavier than a Bronco. Right there, right there. Boom, done. Almost flipped it, by the way. This is my WPL C64-1. Upgraded shocks and upgraded tires. As you can see, the tires are biting. Tires do have foams in them. This is a fairly balanced vehicle. As you can see, this one is a 1/16 scale, so it's a little bit bigger. But as you can see, it just goes right up.